Welcome to Module 4, the 4 dimensions of service management. In ITIL 4, delivering consistent and high-quality services requires a holistic approach, one that considers people, technology, partners, and processes together. These 4 interconnected areas form the foundation for balanced, resilient, and value-driven service delivery. By the end of this module, you'll understand what these dimensions are, how they interact, and why they are essential for sustainable success in service management. Core concept of the 4 dimensions. The 4 dimensions of service management represent the key perspectives every organization must consider when designing, operating, or improving services. They are organizations and people, the human and cultural elements that drive collaboration and capability. Information and technology, the systems, data, and tools that enable service performance. Partners and suppliers, the external entities that extend resources and expertise. Value streams and processes, the structured workflows that convert inputs into valuable outcomes. Together, these dimensions ensure a complete 360-degree view of how value is created and delivered. The role of the 4 dimensions in ITIL 4. In ITIL 4, these dimensions are not optional frameworks. They are fundamental to the service value system. Each one shapes how services are designed, managed, and improved. Organizations and people align roles and culture. Information and technology provide capability and innovation. Partners and suppliers ensure extended support and flexibility. Value streams and processes ensure consistent and efficient delivery. Strength in one dimension cannot offset weakness in another. Balance is key to success. Why the 4 dimensions matter. When one or more dimensions are ignored, services become unstable or ineffective. For example, overemphasizing technology can cause poor user adoption. Weak processes can lead to inconsistent outcomes. Overdependence on suppliers can create governance risks. Balanced attention across all 4 ensures resilience in changing conditions, consistency in service quality, alignment between IT and business goals, and sustainability through continuous improvement. The 4 dimensions model safeguards against imbalance. The 4 dimensions within the service value system. Within the service value system, these dimensions provide structure and context for every activity. They influence how the service value chain connects resources and workflows, guiding principles are applied in decision-making, governance ensures accountability, and practices deliver measurable results. Think of the dimensions as the foundation. They support every layer of service design and continual improvement within the SVS. The balanced model for service success. The 4 dimensions work like the 4 sides of a balanced framework. Organizations and people bring vision and skills. Information and technology provide the tools and data. Partners and suppliers add reach and specialization. Value streams and processes provide structure and flow. If one side weakens, the whole system becomes unstable. That's why ITIL 4 emphasizes continuous evaluation across all 4 to maintain harmony and adaptability in every service environment. Let's consider a logistics company improving its delivery tracking service. They trained employees to enhance customer service, addressing the organizations and people dimension. They upgraded analytics platforms, strengthening information and technology. They aligned with cloud and courier partners, optimizing partners and suppliers. And they streamlined order-to-delivery workflows, refining value streams and processes. By balancing all 4 dimensions, the company achieved faster delivery, reduced errors, and higher customer satisfaction. Understanding and applying the 4 dimensions brings tangible benefits: balanced and sustainable service design, improved collaboration across business and IT, early detection of weaknesses in people, process, or technology, stronger alignment of resources toward business outcomes. This comprehensive model helps organizations deliver consistent value while staying agile and innovative in a changing environment. Let's summarize. The 4 dimensions of service management ensure that no critical element, whether human, technological, or procedural, is overlooked. They work together to form a complete, balanced, and interconnected system that supports the service value system. By mastering these dimensions, you'll be able to design, operate, and improve services that are resilient, effective, and value-focused. Excellent work completing the overview of Module 4, the four dimensions of service management. In the next lesson, Lesson 4.1, Overview of the Four Dimensions, we'll examine each dimension in greater detail, understanding its scope, purpose, and interaction with the service value system. Let's move ahead.